Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm supposed to refer kids to the principal's office for their behavior, but nothing seems to come of it, so I just don't do it anymore. What's the point? First of all, let's think about the behavior and the skill level behind the behavior. That's always a big question of mine. Why are they behaving the way they do? What are they getting from it? And so forth and so on. If I send them to the principal's office, is the principal going to know that either? Like I'm looking for the cause of the behavior. Are they going to know the cause of the behavior? Or are they just going to try to manage the behavior at the same time I'm trying to manage the behavior? Hopefully you see where I'm going there. So what happens is we send kids to the principal's office as a kind of temporary reprieve so that we can just keep on teaching. And then they come back with the same problem again because no one's getting to the skill. So we got to kind of figure that out. So let me just tell you, one of the reasons why we send kids out is to get some documentation, to get some data, if you will, on our behavior so we know where to go for the intervention. So the principal's office is management. It's not intervention. It's a temporary reprieve for you. So you really can't expect the behavior to change dramatically. So just so you understand that. The point is, again, to get the data. The minute you think they're going to miraculously have some sort of kind of pixie dust they put on their head that's going to make them behave the way you want to, you're going to get frustrated. So the same thing happens if you have to call the principal or dean to your classroom. You ever notice that suddenly when they come to your classroom, the kid stops behaving the way they were? And it really makes us angry. We're like, how come when you walk in, the kid straightens up? Well, if they straighten up, isn't that what you wanted? We've got to stop thinking that the principal is going to put an extra punishment on top of it that's going to make a difference. It's not that nothing is happening. It's just that you might not see what's happening and you're hoping it's going to miraculously stop it, which doesn't usually happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.